Once logged into the Gloveman website, go to the top right and click on the icon called Your Account. A window will slide in from the right with your account overview information. Then scroll down until you see CSV Order Upload. By clicking on this, you will then be taken to the basket of the website, where you will see the CSV Order Upload section on the right. Expand this feature by clicking on the title or the plus symbol, and then from here you can select your CSV file. Before we select a CSV file, let's have a look at how the file needs to be constructed. The CSV file needs to contain two headings. One is stock code, the other is quantity. As long as you know the stock codes of the products you want to order, you can enter the stock codes in the stock code column, and then the relative quantities you want to order of that product in the quantity column. Save the CSV file somewhere on your PC or network with a title that is appropriate and easy to find. Back to the Gloveman website, and under the CSV Order Upload section, click Browse, and navigate to the location where you saved the file and select it. The products on the CSV file with the quantities will now appear in the section, and then you can click on the Import into Order button. Your shopping basket will then be updated with the products and quantities that were on the CSV file. From here you can further update your basket if you choose to, or you can continue shopping or proceed to checkout.